you're never going to get away from that person-to-person interaction. And so, much like what Blake said, is if we can get some of the routine things done, it frees up the time. I don't see an environment where you're just going to walk in like you do at some fast food restaurants and you just go punch a button and your food's prepared for you. I don't see that environment. Maybe in the next 50 years, 30 years best, but I don't see that as a possibility. We've been able to do from an organizational standpoint is improve the quality of life for the employees that we do have. So if we reduce a position from 15 folks to 5, we've been able to give them benefits like 100% health care, which is huge for some of your lower compensated individuals in this space. That's a game changer. And we're able to do that because the technology allows us to scale. You have a rather large organization. Scaling is important. You're doing 20,000 surgeries a year. I don't want to say liability, but the cost factor of employing a bunch of folks is through the roof. And so what I've seen organizations, I know what we've been able to do is to go in and use the technology where appropriate and really deliver on quality of life, things that are pertinent to our missions and vision statement to the people that are there. And we've been able to retain employees. And that is a game changer because, quite honest, some of our front office individuals, they interface with the patient more so than the providers do. And that is key in today when how we feel matters.